Hello everyone. Yeah, the vlog went down okay yesterday for using my new camera, and I've had a lot of people saying that the quality looks better, so winner winner. Yeah, so I'm glad that it worked. Hopefully I can carry on using this using this camera with my laptop. I've got to get used to my laptop a bit yet, but it worked okay. So yeah, I will be continuing doing my vlogs on here for you guys as long as my laptop continues to work with me, because I'm not high tech in the slightest. Yeah, so I'm just gonna vlog throughout. I haven't had anything to eat yet. I've had a cup of coffee using a bit of my A choice, but I have got to pop out in a moment to go and get some more milk. I will be going for a little walk later, hopefully. I've got to meet my brother today, Stephen, because he needs sister love. Yeah, he's going for a tough time at the moment, so yeah, he needs me. I'm his BFF. We're Thunder buddies. If you watch Ted, you know what I'm on about. Yeah, so that's my plan for today. Stay on plan, meet my brother, go shop and get some more milk. Yeah, so as I said, I will vlog throughout and I will see you in a minute. So I'm going to have my breakfast now, which is a little bit different but not. So I've recently discovered that you can have porridge, no not porridge, ready brek as a healthy extra bit, so 40 grams still the same, so I'm planning on doing SP day today, hopefully. So I've got 40 grams of porridge mixed with quark and water and sweetener, make it all gloopy and yummy. In there is mixed in frozen blueberries and then just some frozen strawberries on top. Yeah, I am drinking my first H2O on the go. So yes, I'm planning on drinking 2 of those. The idea is to still meet my brother later on today, but also take Angel for a walk down the beach if the weather stays nice, because it's not looking too good. So if I do, I'll let you know, but if not, I won't be. So yeah, I'm gonna go and eat this now and chill for 5 minutes and make a decision. So as you can probably tell, you can hear Angel in the background anyway. But yes, we have come for a beach walk. She's, yeah, she says hi. So I've met my brother now. He's just out, well, you can't see him, he's just outside talking on the phone at the moment. Bless his little cotton socks. But while I'm waiting for him to have his little chit chat, I've just made myself a frothy coffee. using some of my A choice and a couple of sweeteners which I simmed through, so yummy yummy. I'm all stodged earlier from my dinner, if you would have seen. Sorry about the non-explanation. It was a Weight Watchers wrap that I made with the same filling as the other day, 5% mince, peas, carrots, onions, and then just a little side speedy salad and some boiled eggs. So I think the boiled eggs have done the spot because I am full. Yeah, so that was my dinner. I think I may have Mayflower curry for tea, so 28 grams, it'll be 4 sins, so I might do that with some chicken and some peas, mushrooms, onions, and then I'll just serve it up on a bed of spinach instead of rice because I want to do SP today. So I've had my 2 B choices because the Weight Watchers wrap was my second one and my first one was the 40 grams of ready brick. So yeah, it is turning out well, so when I do have my tea I will show it to you. So here's my Mayflower curry. It does look like a lot, but it is 28 grams for 4 sins, but I didn't have all of it as I kept some for in a Weight Watchers wrap tomorrow for my dinner. But in here is chicken, peas, pepper, onion and some spinach cooked within, and then it's just on a bed of spinach instead of having the rice. These aren't all mine, I will have a couple of these for 2 sins each, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so my tea will be 8 sins. I'm also having a cup of green tea. So that's today. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Love your bunches and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Ooh, I'm hot.